Alright. What else did I found in the camper? Well, I know my girl Angie. She loves the old Milwaukee. So does Bert. Problem with Burke is those short, tiny little legs. You can't get it in this rubber bucket. Oh, here comes Popeye. Hey, Popeye. I don't know if you like the old Milwaukee or not. Might be a yes, right, buddy? Oh, don't smash in it. All right. Everybody's over here, except for Star Drive. I think I got some more cookies. Fresh out of cookies. Right, Hossip? Come on here, want some beers? I think that's the last of the old Milwaukee that I tried to use to lure Angie into the trailer with. Oof, get out of that tub, Popeye. Get out of there. Come on. I'm gonna break it. Get out of there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Popeye's not so good in reverse. Right, Burke? All right, everybody. That's all I got. Now you can really go back to sleep.